This video, released by the Ukrainian 68th Brigade, shows a drone dropping grenade on a hidden Russian ammunition store in a forested area. The grenade hits the store and triggers a massive explosion that sends a mushroom cloud of smoke and debris into the air. The fireball and the shockwave are so huge that they can be seen from miles away. The brigade said the store contained Russian anti-tank mines, which are used to stop Ukrainian tanks and armored vehicles. The explosion was so powerful that it destroyed a nearby Russian combat vehicle and created a large crater in the ground. The brigade also said it intercepted Russian communications after the blast and heard them describe it as a small nuclear explosion.